G'day, Tim here from Opposite Lock, and here we have the Opposite Lock Amarok. We've just outfitted it with everything under the sun. We're running the Opposite Lock bull bar. We have 63mm tube, fog lights, indicators, all your sensors are included in the bar. We have your radar in the front here, also have your front camera as well. From here we have your flip up plate for your winch and your high lift jacking points. Now, not a lot of people do that these days, but you've got to make sure that they're always included just in case. Set of road vision LED lights. You can see our rated recovery points, and what we do is put them level so that you can actually pull from the front, and if you're on a slight angle, you can actually recover from that angle as well. Let's move to the rest of the vehicle. Here we have the hidden hero, the Outback Armour suspension. We are running the upper control arm so that we'll get good camber and good drive down the road through the steering and less tyre wear. We've gone with the fully adjustable struts. Even though this one's not going to change much weight in the front, but you know, we're always in different conditions, so the option is there. And we've also gone with a spring to actually hold the bull bar, winch and side rails. So it's still going to be a really comfortable ride whether you're on the road, whether you're on the beach or in the bush. We are running the side rails, 63mm tube here, down into our side step, which is now also a rock slider as well. So it'll take a bit of punishment and you can actually step on it. If we look up here, we are running the Raxar 180-degree awning, pretty much freestanding, as well as you can put the poles out as well if you need to. Yakima rack, road vision lights as well for the rear, Yakima bike rack as well. We're running everything Yakima across here, EGR roll cover as well, press a button, easy access into the back of the vehicle, open, close, away you go. Standard tow bar. You can see the Yakima water tank, the new Raxar shower tent. Pretty much open that up, have a shower anywhere you want. On top of our Yakima rack is a set of treads. I don't get bogged, my mates get bogged. Back here we've just had Outback Armour suspension fitted. We've gone with the fully adjustables, and also we're running 250 kilo springs in the rear. This thing's going to be thrown weight. It'll always have gear on it or carrying something, so we need to make sure that it's going to have the right suspension fitted in it. You can see we have ROH rims here. They're all GVM rated as well as we have the all-terrain black bears. Pretty much been running them for years, love them, you know, good on the road, definitely runs well on Gari. And the clear view mirrors, so you can actually see when you're off-roading or towing.